This is Alex from Accessories International, and today we're taking a look at the Hepco Becker 660.981 mini rack, which is designed specifically for the Honda MSX125 from 2013 to 2016. This is a compact and lightweight luggage solution that's perfect for riders who are looking for practical storage without compromising the sleek look of their bike. You can find this at accessoryinternational.com. Now this is the Hepco Becker Minirack. So what is the Minirack exactly? Well, it's a slim, lightweight luggage rack, which is crafted from aircraft grade aluminum. It's precision cut with a CNC machine, and it's cut perfectly symmetrical to make it easy to strap your luggage down securely. It's really an ideal option for riders who are looking for a functional and unobtrusive luggage solution for the back of their Honda. So some of the standout features on this Hepco Becker Minirack. Firstly, it's got a really durable construction. Again, gonna give you a great looking finish on the outside as well with this black powder coat look. It's going to give you protection against corrosion and the elements, and again, it's a really compact design, so it's going to be slim, unobtrusive, and maintain the look of your MSX125. The install is going to be really simple to bolt on installation to all of the existing mounting points on your motorcycle, so it's not going to have any drilling required. And again, this is a very versatile system, going to give you the option to strap some new luggage onto the back of your bike. So what's included in this kit when you purchase it? Well, when you first order from our website, you're going to receive everything that you need included to install it. That's going to be the aluminum mini rack itself, the mounting frames, which are tailored for the Honda MSX125, and a set of high quality stainless steel hardware to mount everything to your bike. Now, my name is Alex at Accessories International. Thank you for tuning in today. We've been doing this for over 25 years, and I ask if you found value from our video, give us a like and subscribe. Thanks again for tuning in. We'll see you next time.